Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Music Educator. Today I'm going to be discussing lesson plans and how they can help you become a better educator in general. I'll be providing an overview of what lesson plans are, why they're important, and how you can create them. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of lesson plans and how to create effective ones. So let's get started.
But you see, I am ready.
Lesson planning is an essential part of any educator's job. It allows the teacher to organize their thoughts, plan activities for students, and ensure that learning objectives are met. And without effective lesson plans, it's difficult to keep students engaged in their learning and ensure that they understand the material that's actually being presented. Additionally, without clear objectives and goals outlined in a lesson plan, it can be difficult to assess student progress or measure success. Creating effective lesson plans can also be challenging because there are so many factors involved in the curriculum standards, student backgrounds and their interests, available resources, etc. It's important to take these factors into consideration when developing a lesson plan in order for it to be successful. And finally, it is important for teachers to understand to have their own system for creating and organizing their lesson plans so that they are easily accessible when needed. And this helps make sure that no details are missed or forgotten when creating each individual plan.
Well, that's a relief.
In order to create effective lesson plans as an educator, there are several steps you should follow. Number 1, identify your objectives. First off, you need to identify your main goal for the lesson as well as any additional objectives related to it. This will help guide your planning process and ensure that your lessons stay focused on achieving those particular goals. Number 2, research. Once you've identified your objectives, research the materials related to those topics, such as any songs or literature or even activities that you could be using or during class time, and even research additional resources such as worksheets, videos, activities that are supplemental to the material being taught in the classroom. Number 3, plan out activities. After researching materials related to the topic of study, begin by planning out activities such as discussion questions or hands-on projects that will help students better understand the material being presented during this class time. And 4, design assessments. Finally, design assessments such as quizzes, performance tests, or exams in order to measure student progress throughout the course of the unit lesson plan. This will help you determine if students have fully understood the materials that are being taught and which areas may need more attention before moving on to the new material.
Well, thanks for the tip.
Now that we've gone over some basic steps for creating effective lesson plans, let's move on and discuss how you can use these tools to improve your teaching skills even further. One way teachers can use their newfound knowledge for creating effective lessons is by incorporating instructional technology whenever possible. Now, technology has become an integral part of our everyday lives, and by including tech-related activities or projects into our lessons, we can not only engage students, but also provide them with valuable 21st century skills that they'll be using long after they leave our classrooms. Additionally, using technology in our classrooms helps us save time when creating assignments or grading tests, since most tech tools allow us access to our materials from anywhere at any time, making it easier than ever before for us educators.
Isn't that awesome?
Another great way we can improve our teaching skills through lesson planning is by utilizing differentiated instructional techniques whenever possible. Differentiated instruction allows us to tailor our lessons specifically towards each individual student's needs, allowing them to access materials at different levels depending on their ability or interest level, meaning no one gets left behind while still challenging those who excel well beyond grade level. Differentiated instruction allows us to tailor our lessons specifically towards each individual student's needs, allowing them to access materials at different levels, depending on their ability or interest, meaning no one gets left behind while still challenging those who excel beyond grade level expectations. Additionally, this type of instruction encourages collaboration among students, which helps foster teamwork skills while also building relationships between teachers and students, making classroom dynamics much more positive overall.
I'm so happy right now.
Finally, another great way we can use our knowledge of lesson planning is by incorporating project-based learning into our curriculums whenever possible. Project-based learning allows students complete freedom within certain parameters while also fostering creativity, critical thinking skills, which cannot always be achieved through traditional teaching methods alone. Additionally, this type of instruction often requires group work, which encourages collaboration among peers, fostering stronger relationships between classmates, while also giving them a chance to practice working together towards a common goal, something that is completely invaluable in life.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I hope this video was helpful in showing you some ways you can become an even better educator by utilizing effective lesson planning tips and tricks I just mentioned today. If so, please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss future episodes here on The Music Educator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.